make a lot of money making this hat, this beautiful beanie. Yes, you heard me right. You can make a whole lot of money making this, and it doesn't require so much time. Within 2 to 3 hours, you are done with one of these. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Temitope of Little Fit Craft. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how I made this beautiful hat. It's a very easy to follow steps and it doesn't require so much time. Now, if this is what you'll be interested in knowing, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. So for this adult beanie, I'll be using this brand of yarn. Yarn. It's a Nigerian brand of yarn. I'll be using obviously white and black color. I'll be using 3.5mm crochet hook. This is a 3.5mm crochet hook. I'll be using tape measure to measure and scissors to cut off yarn and tapestry needles to weave in ends. So let's get started. So for this cap, I'll be starting with color black and I'll be working with double strand. So this is my magic ring and I'll make chain 1. So into this ring I'll be making 9 half double crochet. 9 half double crochet. 1, 2, so I will pull this strand of yarn to tighten the ring. So to close the whole of the ring, and I'll be slip stitching into the first stitch. Now let's grab our second color of yarn. So I will insert my hook into this stitch and I'll use it to pull this new color of yarn. So I'll gently tie this at the back to secure it perfectly. Remember I said earlier that I won't be cutting off my other color, so I'll be working with it. I won't cut it off, so I'll show you how to go about it. Now into each of the stitches I'll be making, I made 1 chain, and each of the stitches I'll be making 2 half double crochet. I'll be making 2 half double crochet in each of the stitches round. So this is the end of the row. So I'll set aside this white and pick my black yarn. So I will slip stitch into the first stitch and I'll grab this black of yarn and I'll make sure to pull this white to close that hole tightly. Now chain 1. So now what next we'll be doing is 1 half double crochet in the first stitch and 2 half double crochet in the next 1 half double crochet into the next stitch and 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So when working with this your 2 color of yarns, be careful to always separate the first one from the other one so it won't get tangled up. So this I'll continue to the end and I'll come back and show you what to do next. Next is to slip stitch into this first stitch and set aside your black color and grab your other color and slip stitch. Chain 1. So on this row we are going to be making 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 half double crochet in the third stitch. So this is how I'll continue till I get to the last stitch. So I'm done with that row, and I will set aside this color and grab my other color. And I will slip stitch. Chain 1. So into this first stitch, I'll be making my first half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 half double crochet in the next. So I'm making 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches before the increase. So this is how I'll continue till I get to the last stitch. So 1 half double crochet in 3 stitches, and on the 4th stitch I'll make an increase. So I'll meet you right at the end of the row. So make your last 2 half double crochet and slip stitch. So I'll set aside this black and grab my white color, and I'll slip stitch. I'll make my chain 1. So into the first stitch, I'll make my first half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on the 5th stitch, I'll make my 2 half double crochet. I'll make my half double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and on the 5th stitch I'll make my 2 half double crochet. So I'll come back and show you what to do next. Next is to slip stitch with a black color. So I'll grab my black color and slip stitch. I'll make chain 1 and continue my work. So into this first, I've made a chain 1. Into this first stitch, I'll make 1 half double crochet. So I'll make 1 half double crochet in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So into this next one, I'll make my 2 half double crochet. If you take notes, you realize that in the two half double crochet I'm making it on the previous 2 half double crochet. So the previous half double crochet I'm making the previous 2 half double crochet I'm making another 2 half double crochet right into that stitch. So this is how I'll continue till I get to the last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'll make 2 half double crochet.
Welcome to Little Feet Crafts, where love is woven true. Every handmade treasure is created just for you. From little feet to growing dreams, every piece is made with care, wrapped in warmth with joy and love beyond compare. Wrapped colors done like wasted, made to last for years, celebrated gift of warmth and kindness, inspired from above. Handmade with passion, crafted to last, creating beautiful memories at little feet craft. Welcome to Little Feet Crafts, where love is woven true. Every handmade treasure is created just for you. From little feet to growing dreams, every piece is made with care, wrapped in warmth, with joy and love beyond compare. Wrapped colors done like wasted, made to last for years, celebrating every milestone, laughter, hope, and fears. This is Little Feet Crafts, where every stitch is love, a gift of warmth and kindness, inspired from above. Handmade with passion, crafted to last, creating beautiful memories at little feet craft. Welcome to Little Feet Crafts, where love is woven true. Every handmade treasure is created just for you. From little feet to growing dreams, every piece is made with care, wrapped in warmth, with joy and love beyond compare. Wrapped colors done like wasted, made to last for years, celebrating every milestone, laughter, hope, and fears. This is Little Feet Crafts, where every stitch is love, a gift of warmth and kindness, inspired